Hey guys, today we're doing the Make It Rain experiment. You'll need shaving cream, a glass of water, any kind of food coloring you want, and an eyedropper. Now, let's put the shaving cream in. Okay, now we put the shaving cream. Now, let's put the food coloring. Okay, I think it's gonna go down there. Ooh, and it looks like ice cream. Now we're gonna get some water from the eyedropper and put it there until it dries. I already added red, green, and blue again, but it's already put. Now I'm gonna add the other one. Maybe I'll show you more. Oh wow, that's so cool. Let me tell you how rain and clouds are formed. When the sun shines on water on the lake, ocean, or streams, it warms up the water and the water vapor will form and it rises up into the sky. It cools down as it moves up and changes back to water droplets. Those water droplets form clouds. When they combine together, it becomes heavier and heavier and will fall back to earth as raindrops. And this process continues and is called the water cycle. In this simulation, the shaving cream acts as the cloud and the food coloring as raindrops. When the food color combines and becomes heavier and heavier, it will fall, simulating rainfall. That's so cool. It's already starting to go, and there's also some green because the yellow and blue are mixing. That is so cool! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!